Good afternoon, children. Yesterday I explained you few characteristics of chemical reaction, and we had done the examples of energy changes with the types. So I told you some of the chemical reactions, they either give off, means they give out, or they take in energy to complete the reaction. When the energy chemical reactions give out energy, such type of chemical reactions are called exothermic reactions, and I explained you the example burning, respiration. But there are some chemical reactions which can be completed, or it takes place by absorbing energy. They will take in the energy and then only the chemical reaction will take place. Such type of chemical reactions are called endothermic reactions. Example, very common example is cooking of food. Then I explained you about change of state. Other characteristic feature, some of the chemical reactions can occur when the reactants, the substances, when they react, then they are in the different state, maybe solid, maybe solid, maybe solid liquid, maybe gas, but the product form is change of state is there. For example, I told you ammonia is a gas, reacts with hydrogen chloride, also gaseous state. When these two substances in gaseous state react, then the product formed we'll find is the solid state. So two types of gaseous substances when react forms, there is change of state, and the solid substance is formed, ammonium chloride. Similarly, ammonia is a gas and chlorine is a gas. When the ammonia reacts with excess of chlorine, a yellow explosive means which can outburst, explode, जिसे विस्फोटक कहते हैं, sodium trichloride is formed, and this is liquid. So two reactants, two substances which are reacting are in gaseous state, but when they react, the product they form, there is a change of state, a liquid product is formed. So some of the chemical reactions when take place, there is change of state. Now on page number in your book 95, you are going to mark this activity, the block which is given here, right? And now yesterday I explained you a catalyst also. So catalyst, I told you, is that substance which will either increase or which will decrease the rate of the speed of chemical reaction. If a chemical substance helps in increasing the speed of reaction, it is a positive catalyst. And if a chemical substance helps in decreasing the speed of chemical reaction, it is a negative catalyst. So the catalyst will only help in the increasing or decreasing the rate of chemical reaction, that is the speed of chemical reaction, and itself will not go any change in it. It will be used for that and will get separated from the product formed. Then what are enzymes or biocatalysts? In biology, you must have studied this term enzymes. These are those chemical compounds which are produced in our body to help in completing the chemical reactions which are taking place in the body of living beings. Like in digestion, the enzymes will help in digesting the food. In respiration, the enzymes will help in, we take in oxygen, we give out carbon dioxide. So all the chemical reactions which are taking place in our body, in the body of living beings, the enzymes are there to complete that reaction. So all those substances which are produced within the body of living things and they help in increasing the speed of chemical reactions in our body. They are called enzymes. Like saliva in our mouth, there is a watery fluid. This is saliva, it contains an enzyme, right? And that is salivary amylase, so which helps in digestion of carbohydrate food like glucose, starch, rice, chapati that you eat. So they are called biocatalyst. Bio means life, catalyst that are playing their role in the living body. With this we have completed the chapter, and then now tomorrow I will be giving you the question answers notes in the form of question answers to you, and that you will do in your fair copy, and then you will learn those question answers with the example. Exercises I will discuss with you, and I will be telling you. You will do yourself and we will discuss it, and then you can check your answers. Is that clear to you, children? So that work we will do tomorrow. Thank you.